Hey, this is Dave from UniPro, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get paying clients from Facebook. And you can do this without paying for any Facebook ads. You can do it without any cold DMs. I'm gonna show you a simple 3-step strategy that allows you to identify targeted leads, to nurture those leads, to warm them up, and then turn them into paying customers and clients. And I'm gonna show you something. This is the same process that I've used to get over 2,000 new paying online clients this year. So I know this process works and it can work for your business as well. Let's dive in. So you got an online business and you want to get more customers, you want to get more paying clients, and maybe you're using Facebook to try and do that. So you're creating some content, maybe you're even getting a little bit of engagement, but that engagement, that content, it's not turning into paying customers. And that's a problem. If you want to grow your business, you got to get paying customers. Likes and loves aren't going to cut it. And so maybe you listened to some advice and you went and started a Facebook page, maybe you started running some ads, maybe you started a Facebook group hearing that that's a good way to attract leads, and neither of those solutions are working either. And so maybe you're considering other strategies. Maybe you're thinking about filming a webinar or building some sort of sales funnel. Listen, all that stuff is great, but it doesn't come first. There's a much easier way to start getting high ticket online clients right now. I'm talking about clients who are paying you $500, $1,000, $2,000, maybe even $5,000 or beyond. The simple method is so effective, and there are just 3 steps. So let's walk through those together. The first step is to create a piece of content that gets at least 10 people commenting on it. And it's important that this piece of content is related to the product or service or business that you're running. So it can't be a picture of your dog, or it can't be a picture of your family. It needs to be a business related piece of content that has something to do with what you're offering. So let me give you a couple examples to get your wheels turning. I'm gonna go over to, this is on my personal profile. So I made this post and it says, important, just tested a new Facebook content update and got 15.8 times more reach on our posts. Anyone wanna try it? So this is an example of a post that's called a 2-step post. And this is related to the business that we run. We help people grow their businesses on Facebook. And so all these comments, 358 comments, that meets the criteria. It's a business related post and it gets at least 10 people commenting on it. This is one example of the type of post that you could use, a simple text-based post like this on a color background that asks people to respond. Let me show you a very different type of post that you could use as well. So in this one, it says, need more content ideas. And this is a long form written post. So I'm giving a lot of ideas as to the type of Facebook content that a business owner could create that would help serve their audience. Again, this is related to the type of product or service that our business provides. Put a picture here, 24 comments on it. So you could do a long form written post like this. Let me show you another example of a type of post you might want to consider. Here's an example of a reel. So it's just a 1-minute video. And in this case, it's talking about a unique way to get more followers on Facebook. So again, it's targeting business owners who are looking to grow their business using Facebook. You can see over here, I got 13 comments on this particular reel. Now, if you've been doing content on Facebook for any time, this is going to be a piece of cake for you. Step number 1 is just to get 10 people commenting on a single post. If you're new to content creation, or the content that you've created up until this point isn't really business focused, this might take a little bit of trial and error. But after trying a couple different posts, like the examples that I just showed you, you're certainly going to be able to get at least 10 comments on one of your posts. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is to engage with every single person who comments on that piece of content of yours. And you want to be engaging with them in a very specific way. So I'll show you that in a second. But first, I want to show you a test I did. I went out onto Facebook and I commented on a bunch of different pieces of content to see what response from the business owner I'd get. Let me show you a couple examples because the results were a little bit surprising. So for this test, I targeted pieces of content that are fitness related. I'm a dad, I'm interested in fitness, so I went and engaged on other businesses' pieces of content that has to do with fitness. So let's take a look at this example. This is from Revolution Fitness and it says, Father's Day is coming, we got 7 spots to fill. So it's clear that they're trying to sell something here. And I went down and I said, great Father's Day gift, looking to see what sort of response I would get. Check it out, here's the response that I got from this business. Dave Smith, so they tagged me and said, definitely, and gave me an applause emoji here. And that's it. Our engagement stopped there. I never got any follow-up. I never got any DMs. Nothing else happened to move me towards actually making a purchase. And this, out of all the different posts that I tested, was actually the one where the business owner engaged with me most. Let me show you another example here. In this case, I saw this reel, and this reel is also making a fitness offer to dads. And you can see it's Alpha Dad 101. And you can see the post here. It's targeting dads and it's talking about training glutes, etc. I went in here and I said, impressive. Looking to start a conversation, looking to see what this business owner was going to do with that engagement. And in this case, I got nothing. I didn't get a like, I didn't get a message, I didn't get a comment response. The only thing I got was Jay laughed at my comment. So you can see that this isn't going to move me towards making a purchase. Let me show you one more example. I came across this live video from a business called the Gym tin. And you can see this live video, it's 23 minutes long. It only got 2 comments, and one of those comments was for me. And I wanted to be very encouraging. I said, looks like a great sequence, referencing the sequence of exercises that was demonstrated inside this video. Again, no like, no comment reply, no DM, no follow-up. And the reason why I show you these examples is because it might seem obvious that if someone engages on your content, you should follow up with them. They're showing interest in what your business has to offer, so of course you'd follow up, right? But the reality is, by far, most business owners aren't taking this step. And you can't make that mistake. When you get at least 10 people commenting on your post, you need to follow up with every single person. I'm going to show you an example of the type of script that you might want to use inside your comments when you're replying to their comment. So you might say something like, glad you had a chance to check this out, name, and then you'll put the person's name so that it looks personalized. Just sent you a message. Did that come through? And this part of your comment reply is very important. Just sent you a message. Did that come through? You're doing 2 things here. You're accomplishing 2 things. Number 1, you're prompting them to go and check Messenger. You're prompting them to go and check the DM to see what it is that you sent them. And number 2, you're also prompting them to reply again inside the comments of your post. And that's a big bonus because when they reply to you, that helps fire up your Facebook algorithm. Facebook sees there's more engagement happening on this post. Therefore, it's going to show your post to more people and you're going to be able to attract even more comments. And so that's step number 2. You're going to personally reply to every single comment that you get on your post. And now step number 3 is simply to follow through with what you promised. You promised that you sent them a message inside a messenger. You sent them a DM. So you better do it. You're going to send every single person a DM. And this is the most important step because they've already shown interest in what your business has to offer by commenting on your piece of content in the first place. You've already set an expectation by telling them that you sent a DM. So you better follow through. You better actually do it. And here's an example of a type of script that you could use inside the DMs. You might say something like this. Hey, name. So again, you want to personalize it. Just following up on your comment. I'm interested to hear what you're up to these days. Are you using Facebook to grow your business? So this is an example of the type of DM that I might send when someone engages on my content that's all about growing online businesses through Facebook. And notice there's a couple things that I really want you to take away here that make this DM script so effective. First off, it's not about me, it's all about them. Notice it says, I'm interested to hear what you're up to these days. And we know from human psychology that people love talking about themselves. I don't come in telling them what I have to offer. I don't tell them how I'm gonna make their life so much better. I don't tell them how I wanna book a call with them. No, I simply say, I'm interested to hear what you're up to. And then I make it a little bit more specific. I say, are you using Facebook to grow your business? If I simply said, hey, I'm interested to hear what you're up to right now, people could tell me all sorts of things. They could talk about their business. They could talk about their kids. They could talk about their marriage. They could talk about their fitness. I want to move the conversation in a direction that's going to take this person closer to becoming my paying customer, my paying client. And so I specifically asked them, are you using Facebook to grow your business? And think about those fitness examples that I showed you a minute ago. Those business owners should have been doing this to me. They should have been reaching out to me in the DMs and saying, hey, I saw your comment on my post about dads getting in shape. I'm curious to know what you're up to these days. Are you in a fitness routine? Really simple, directing the conversation towards me becoming a customer of theirs. And so now that you've started the conversation, you can easily find out what they need help with, what their goals are, and then you can make them an offer to make a purchase or to get on a sales call with you. And that's the third step. Send DMs to everyone who engages on your content. Now, I get it. This strategy seems super simple, and you might be thinking, well, Dave, really, is this going to get me any customers? Is this going to make me any money? But I want to break down the numbers with you. Remember in step 1, we said that we're going to get at least 10 people commenting on your piece of content. Well, let's take that and do the math. Let's just say that you got the bare minimum. You got 10 people who commented, and you replied to all those people in the comments. You used a script like we just looked at, and then you also started a conversation inside a messenger. Let's be really conservative and say that you can convert just 10% of those people, which is being very conservative. That means out of those 10 leads who originally commented on your piece of content, one of them is going to buy something from you. One of them is going to turn into a client of yours, which is a very achievable number. That's why this 3-step process is absolute gold. The reality is most of your competitors are like those businesses that I just showed you a minute ago. They're creating content, but they're not doing anything with the leads who actually show up on that content. You have an opportunity to be different. You have an opportunity to, step number 1, post content that gets at least 10 comments. Step number 2, reply to every single person who comments on your content. And step number 3, send them a personalized DM using a script like the one that I just showed you to start a conversation and move those people towards purchasing from you. You have a huge opportunity to scoop up new clients week after week after week using this simple 3-step process. And I know it works because I've built multiple online businesses doing exactly this on Facebook.
I am impressed.
Now, in full transparency, I do have a secret weapon that allows me to automate this entire process so that I don't personally have to reply to all these comments. I don't personally have to send out all these DMs. The secret weapon is Unipro. And if you've never checked it out, you got to go check it out. Go over to unipro.com and you're going to learn about how Unipro generates leads for your business. It starts conversations, it spikes your engagement, and it moves people from being a relatively cold lead, nurturing them, and then making them an offer so that they actually purchase from you. Everything is automated. It's absolutely amazing. I know you're going to love it. So that's what I've got for you in this video. If this video was helpful at all, give it a like. And if you have any comments or questions about generating clients, getting new paying customers from Facebook, leave those below in the comments. I'm happy to help out. And again, if you haven't checked out Unipro, you got to go check it out. Go over to unipro.com. It's been a game changer for my business, and I know it's going to be a game changer for you as well. So thanks for checking out this video. Can't wait to see you in the next video.